How to grow your hair faster. If your hair isn't growing as quickly as you'd like, you might be wondering what you can do. These questions will be answered in this video. We'll also look more closely at factors that may affect hair growth and actions you may take to improve hair growth.
Please consider subscribing and liking this video.
1. Don't overuse hair coloring. Chemical treatments such as hair dyeing and texture changes can cause stress on the hair, leading to breakage. 2. Improve your nutrient quality. For your overall health as well as for giving your body the energy required for hair growth, certain vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids are especially essential. These nutrients may consist of biotin, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, zinc, iron, omega-3 and omega-6. 3. Massage your scalp with antioxidants. According to clinical studies, applying antioxidants to the scalp can significantly reduce hair loss and improve the health of the scalp. 4. Consistently cut your hair. Regular haircuts can promote the growth of healthy hair. Removing split ends stops them from growing higher up your strands and damaging your hair. 5. Monitor your protein consumption. For optimal hair growth, a well-balanced diet with enough protein intake is essential. In general, we advise consuming 60 grams of protein a day or more. 6. Consult your doctor about minoxidil. Rogaine's primary ingredient, minoxidil, is used to cure genetic hair loss on the back of the head, which have passed clinical testing for hair growth and produced good results. 7. Check products for caffeine. Caffeine is well known for its ability to improve energy, and studies have shown that when applied topically, it can also promote hair growth. 8. Treat yourself to a scalp massage. A head massage can encourage sleep and reduce tension. However, a small 2020 study by trusted source suggests that it might also improve the condition of your hair. 9. Minimize stress. Chronic stress can cause hair loss, according to research from a reliable source. Your follicles could enter a resting phase as a result, when they would shed hair rather than grow new ones. 10. Avoid heat. Your hair can become damaged and break off when exposed to heat from straighteners, hair dryers, and curling irons. While completely avoiding heat styling may not be possible, you might want to try reducing how frequently you use these tools.
That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.